Hi guys, welcome to YouTube. So today I've got pizza. Homemade pizza. Here it is, guys. So I've got homemade pizza. Chips was with it, but chips was too much, guys. Oi! Little lady in the background. Yeah. Homemade pizza is it's just God, what is it? You know, like what you get for a curry. Pita bread. Pita bread, sausage meat, cheese, tomato. So today is Wednesday, so I'm going to put this up Thursday. I don't know what to say really, guys. Oh, look at that, it's fell off. Just like the death of my mum and stuff like that, it's been real difficult, guys. It's been real hard, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah. No. Bit pizza. So it's been real difficult, guys. Yeah. It's only good man. It's only a bit of sausage meat, guys. I'm not gonna have the other one because I'm like getting full. Kids made me this to make sure I eat. Said homemade pizza will be better than takeaway pizza. I suppose it's right, really, isn't it? So we've got to takeaway pizza. Or we just can't be bothered. Yeah. Yeah. It's only a bit of sausage meat. Might as well finish this piece off now, and look at that. Yeah. So on it is sausage meat, cheese, and tomato. Nothing Exciting. Yeah. There you go. What do I think to that chutney and Coogan? Lovely. Thank you so much. So that's a pizza. I made pizza with pita bread, tomato puree, I'm sure they said, with cheese and a bit of sausage meat. So that was that. I did get some chips with it, but I didn't want the chips with it, guys, because I'm kind of full. So yeah, so that was my meal. Thank you, guys. Bye.